I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to align text to text box. So let's jump right into this video. So, aligning and doing this aligning text within a text box really creates a visually appealing and balanced layout. So I think it's really important to learn this really basic way of just aligning text, and this can really enhance your overall design quality and just user experience. So let's jump right into this video. Now I'm going to click on here, text. You can also you press T on your keyboard if you use the shortcut. Now this is the text box. We can, if you want, so I have here, can add another one, but you can click here, add another one, and now let's enter here something, and now highlight and increase text size. Click on this important selection so we can grab from here and change. Now hold space so I can pan around. I have this text here, and now let's say we have this text box is like so, and I would like to align to text box. So what you have to do is right over here where we see text, we have a bunch of options related to text. So here we have align to top, align to middle, align to bottom. So I can click on align to bottom, and now when I click on align to bottom, as you can see is the text went down. Text is here, I can type and the text will go up, but I can also click on align middle, or align top, align bottom, align middle, or align top. I can type now here, and now I can still is changing a little bit. Also you can align text left, align center, or align right. Here also have other options. We can highlight here, and the spacing we can change, auto height. We also have auto weight. So now from here we can change it. From here, other options related to letter spacing or line height. You also click on type settings. Here you have some settings if you want. Some details also, cases, later case, numbers, and here in case we can turn our text this way. Maybe we want lowercase or uppercase, and this is important also if you want. You have a lot of letters that are lowercase. Click on here and then click on uppercase if you want to make the uppercase instead of doing this manually. And just remember now to align to bottom. We have, let's say, less text here, so you can change the when I align, have the text here. I can let's say increase this. Now from here I can align. So yes, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.